Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with AFSisterwig again once more. Today we have this gorgeous wig, but before I get to it, let me show you what I got in my package. I got a pair of wig caps, a edge cut brush and comb, a pack of hairpins, and that's everything that came in the package. And then now to get to the wig, I got this gorgeous full lace fake scalp free parting pre-plucked human hair light brown yaki bob wig, guys. 10 inches to be exact. Now what's so special about this wig is that it does have fake scalp at the front and the back. Most fake scalp wigs only come with the fake scalp in the front portion, so I love the fact that they added it to the back as well. And yeah, absolutely no weft, so it looks very natural. You can part this wig anywhere at all that you like. You could put it in a ponytail, anything at all. It is very much a free part. Okay, so it comes off super realistic. Also, this wig is a glueless wig, so you don't have to worry about using glue or any form of adhesive to rock it. It's straight across lace at the front there, so I did tack it at the ear portion with just some spray. I didn't use any glue at all, but as you can see, I just went in, applied it, and I applied some spray at the sideburn portion, just so it wasn't flabbing or anything. But that's pretty much it. So you see that there's a bit of cast, and further down in the video I'll show you where I use a little bit of powder to camouflage the cast. That's it. But it is very much convenient, it's very much wear and go, and it's beginner friendly. So this is where I'm applying the powder, and then I move on to getting my hot comb and some wax to just lay the root of the wig, because I decided that I want to change up the parting and I wanted to do center part. Also, it is a kinky texture, so it's very much like that nice textured look. Is very full. I didn't get much shedding from this wig as well, to be even more detailed. So I love that. The quality does feel very good. It's very strong, and I really can't complain. It gives that natural vibe, and I'm super happy with everything so far. So I was just working on the parting here. I don't have the straightest hand when it comes on to a parting, but I'm working on it. I feel like I'm growing over time, so I'm gonna take time with my pleas and tongues. But yeah, it laid pretty flat, and I'm very, very happy for that. Also, I went in and I recurled just the front portion, since I was just doing so much with the hair. It kind of lost some of the waves, so I went in with my curling iron just to redefine the front to make it have that bouncy vibe going. And it looks really good. It held the curls well. I'm super pleased. When I was done with curling it, I just went through it and played around with the curls to ensure that everything was laying how I liked. And then I showed you guys there that, okay, yeah, definitely no adhesive is on this wig. All right. And I showed you that, okay, you could definitely part it anywhere that you please. So that's the reason why I was showing you this portion here. Also, I know sometimes people get glueless wig, they're a little fearful of the wig falling off easily, but I need to show you that this wig here is super secure on my head. It's very nicely snugged. It's not going anywhere. It's a 10, guys. I'm happy with this wig. Shout out to AFSisterwig. If you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, go ahead, check out my description box for the direct link and all the specifications down below in my description box. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.